Speaking the same language.
It's awesome. I'm so glad you guys came to Michigan. We run parts on this every single day. Rocket parts, defense parts, valve parts, pump parts, all sorts of different parts.
But CNC machining is king.
You said
I named them. Oh man, Barry, what's up?
What's up, Titan?
Oh man, we're in Michigan. We just drove to a little town called Vicksburg, and it's awesome. We were just at Van Buren Tech up in Lawrence and showcasing this amazing machining program where high school students are learning CNC machining by using the Titans of CNC Academy and getting certified with CNCEXPERT. And on our way back to the airport, we're like, hey, let's go check out Zach, who has a small shop in Vicksburg. He's a friend of ours. It's just cool. We just want to highlight manufacturing. No matter where you live, big towns, small towns, you know, no matter what state, manufacturing is important.
You look around at what, like our surroundings here, you wouldn't think that there'd be machine shops and stuff, but it's everywhere.
Boom.
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Let's do it.
Oh man. She's got the shirt. What's up? How are you?
Hi, welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh man, what's up?
How are you? Good to see you.
Good
nice
to
to meet
see
you
you.
in person. Barry,
meet you,
how are
man.
you? So, this is the shop floor.
That's some beautiful shot, man.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Over the last 2.5 years, Titan, every employee, every piece of furniture, every tool, every machine, every single thing in this shop has come in the last 2 years by building the team that we've been able to put together here.
What's up, man? How are you?
Yo, how's it going?
Nice to meet you, man.
This is the man right here. This
Oh,
is
man.
our lead programmer, our lead machinist, our 5-axis master.
Nice.
This is that machine we bought off the floor at IMTS.
Boom. How do you like the machine?
I love it.
That's awesome.
It made my life about 1,000 times easier than.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Man, when I first saw that first index, I was like, no way. That's incredible.
Like a kid in a candy store.
Yeah, this is the best thing ever. We love it. We don't do a lot of really high production parts. A lot of it's 1Z, 2Z prototypes. That's why we're so heavy on engine lathes, because Rick is a master at them. But even like 40, 60, 100 piece runs, having the pallet pool, I mean, we don't have to open the door a bunch of times. We can set our work coordinates. Kyle or one of these younger guys can change parts over at the door over here. The machine does not stop running. We started out buying brand new DMG Moris. They are so much money for a young shop to be able to buy. When you switched from Haas to DN Solutions, I started seeing the quality, the level of parts you were doing. I thought, man, this could be a real deal. IMTS comes around the last day of the show. I walk in, I'm like, all right. I'm like, Kyle, do you want it? He's like, yeah, I think so. I said, all right, well, let's go get it. As soon as it showed up, things changed. This pallet pool, having the full 5-axis, it's incredible. You know, you can run these VMCs and save up to buy another one. These 5-axis with pallet pools, they make babies of themselves.
Great shop, huh?
Smells like success.
Oh man. Oh man, the KOR5 is in the house. Boom. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Good. Man, looking sharp right there. How you doing?
Doing really good. You know, I'm a big fan of your videos and everything you guys
awesome,
do.
man.
I'm working on the certifications right now, going through KVCC, so it's
Super
amazing.
cool. So you're on CNCEXPERT?
Yes.
Awesome,
Yep.
man. You can just put all of your parts on there. You can send it to your boss.
Yeah.
You can send it to anybody.
See other people's stuff too, and kind of
Exactly.
see what works all out there and what
awesome.
you can improve on and things.
Pretty soon, everything you do on LinkedIn or Facebook, you can do on there. Be able to ask questions like, hey, how do you thread mill Monell? Or how do you like machine this? And then the whole community will be in there talking. So it'll not only be certifications and showcasing work and getting customers, but it'll be like knowledge and community. You know what I mean?
I'm really
Nice
excited.
to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
And now you're in one of the videos. Super
Sweet.
good. Boom.
Boom.
Oh man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Awesome. Making it happen.
That's all I know.
That's the art though. That's the art.
Been doing it like 45 years, so I enjoy the hell of it.
That's awesome.
The 1941 Monarch, this thing is like, I've been looking at your videos, going, yeah, it's like, huh? Who?
It's the same person? You were already watching the video.
Right, and I did not realize it was you.
We were coming over here.
Yeah, but I thought it was
And now you're in the video.
on into the video.
Whoa! So good. Very nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir.
What's up? Oh, we're on camera already. Look at
Oh, snap.
How are you? What are you making over here?
We're on our third op right now with these setting plates. We're just putting in a pretty tight tolerance, a 157, plus or minus half thou, then 2 on 4 holes. Money being made.
Oh man, if the spindle ain't turning, you ain't earning.
And if that ain't the truth.
So how long you been machining?
Been machining probably about 8 years now.
8 years now?
Yeah.
Zach looks like the worried father over here because I just went to the machinist. Sure that I don't show too much, right? Come on, hey, it's running. It's running, baby. Get after it.
Boom.
Boom. This guy. Love all of it, man. Love the old school rock. I love how you even have everything decorated, you know?
American manufacturing, bringing work back to the United States, keeping those guys busy, putting them in houses, getting them new vehicles, giving us all a life that we can live together because of manufacturing.
Built on a foundation of manufacturing.
You got it.
Oh man, speaking the same language. One of the cool things that I love is from the moment I walked in, we're instantly family.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? We manufacture, we speak the same language, and that's like, even with the dog. Look at the dog. Oh man, manufacturing is just such an amazing industry. It's the king of all industries. CNC machining is king because you have a million different tools, million variables. There's so many different things, and like your mind has to figure out what to use, and based on what you think and what you invest in, that's going to be like how much time it takes to make that part, and either you're going to make money or lose money. So I love the challenge.
We love the challenge.
Let's go.
Nothing like a good hard part.
The academy now is like my part.
Yeah.
Bring awareness to the trade, but then you have to teach people. You know what I mean? So thanks for like helping out Gabe. Like guys like Chad are actually helping out these teachers, and I love that.
Yeah.
Good with it.
We love Chad, or we love Gabe.
Zach, you guys got me. Look,
You said you
I named him.
I looked at Kyle. I looked at Kyle and I'm like, yeah, think of Gabe. I'm like, Chad.
He's just gonna start calling me Dad, like Barry does. You know what I mean? Because like his parents named him, but I just renamed it, and he took it. He didn't want to say anything.
It threw me so off guard. I called Gabe Chad. Sorry, Gabe. Gabe's awesome.
So,
we love him
Zach
too.
We can just mess around. It's all good.
That's awesome.
So good, man.
So because of the academy, the 139 you were telling me about on the phone will be Ozzy, who just turned 18 years old, first 5-axis part on this machine.
Nice. And then
That's
that'll be a test.
incredible.
Does it work?
I looked at it and it's all there. It's all there. It's all there. Everything's there.
Yeah, we make it easy, you know what I mean? So we just started like releasing our 5-axis curriculum or the DN Solution machine. I was just telling Zach, not Chad, Zach, that I was like, dude, any of your other guys who don't know the machine, if they want to learn it, test it out, go through it, have them design it, program it, and run it. It shows the full setup, and just see if it works. See if it works, you know what I mean?
Step by step.
Yeah, man.
Step by step. It's going to be one of the most powerful tools in this shop is the academy. And for the industry as far as everybody keeps growing. Quality, this is our
Oh man, OG, still working though.
works great.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Accurate.
What do you think, Barry?
It's an awesome place, man. Awesome people. They make awesome parts. These guys are delivering greatness. I love it.
You know, everybody believes in the same thing. We're going to the moon with this. We're gonna keep working on quality. We're gonna keep working on delivery. We're gonna keep getting more better technology in this shop, and we're gonna get AS 9100 certified soon. And as soon as we get those things and everything starts falling in line, I don't doubt for a single minute that we will be one of the most premier machine shops in the entire United States of America. Boom.
Speak it, baby.
Yeah.
Speak it.
I believe it. I believe it.
Speak it.
Not only do I believe it, I know it.
28 years old. I was 35 years old. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you have a great mindset. You got a great team already, and there's nothing wrong with saying I'm going to be one of the premier machine shops in the United States of America. Because like that's what you have to do. You have to speak it into existence, and then you got to walk it and speak it to every single person that you see.
This right here was our first step into 5-axis, and that really helped sway the decision on taking the next step up too. That brand new CMX has ran great for us, but man, that DN Solutions, I tell you what, we buy another vertical mill, it probably won't be anything other than a DN, and it probably won't just be a vertical, probably a 5-axis vertical.
Boom.
You saw Rick at his 10EE earlier, 1941, he runs it every day. Holds 2/10 all day long on that machine. 1954, this was built, came out of a Battleship. We run parts on this every single day. Rocket parts, defense parts, valve parts, pump parts, all sorts of different parts. It's hard to beat this old equipment.
Nothing but respect, man.
Lights on the wall over there. You can actually almost measure Trevor's forehead with one of those.
We at 1,000 yet?
Hey, quick pause to the video. We want to give a specialized shout out to Wilhelmina Hill. Yeah, you Wilhelmina Hill. I hope I'm saying that right. We thank you especially for supporting our channel and supporting free education. And if you want a specialized shout out and also get free merch, then consider becoming a member on our channel by hitting that join button now.
You got some big arms, and see if you can rotate this.
Oh man.
Spin the wheel. You gotta spin the wheel.
Win the prize. Oh, nice. What's up, William? Hey, short, man.
Titan.
How long you been working there?
Him and Teddy, about 2 months. For his interview, he came in on a Saturday and he wanted to make a part. He said, I can run that machine, I'll show you. He said, Saturday, we got a rocket part we need some help with. We need it now. He showed up, he ran that part one day. Now this machine dances
baby,
every
let's
single
go.
day. Every single day.
Gotta make chips.
Gotta make chips. Our motto, chips on the floor, parts out the door.
Oh man. Boom. Let's go. The whole point on CNC Expert is like, what can you make?
Yes.
Like,
You
don't
can make
show me a
anything.
piece of paper. Show
Right.
me what you can actually make.
Yep. The job posting I heard about was gonna be good. And finding work, the job boards. The need to send work out sometimes. Being able to connect with other shops that are like-minded.
Yeah.
More than anything, I think will be awesome.
Super good.
Things are clicking here.
And you got a great attitude, man.
Thank
know
you.
what
I
mean?
appreciate that.
I think when you look at like CNC machinists and when they step up, actually own their own shop, not everybody is built to be a shop owner. You have to have grit, determination. You got to be able to walk through so much fire, and no matter where the bank account is, you cannot quit. You just have to be going and going. And it's sometimes like you have a great team here, but it's like at times you are by yourself. Like on the weekend or whatever, and it's like you just have to do what's necessary to make it happen. I just love, man, because I see that grit, I see the passion in you. You got the gift of gab. the excitement, but you gotta have talent to back it up.
Yeah.
You can have the mouth on you, but if you're not willing to wake up at 2 in the morning to take your customers' parts that are like in another state and their line is down, you're never gonna be successful. You gotta like do the work.
Nope. Started out in
Just love it.
20 hours a day. Here we are. Me and Kyle, we've stayed up night after night in this shop. We've had couriers sit in our parking lot for 10 hours waiting on parts so they can get in a private jet and fly back to California. We know that grind.
Those customers that you're doing the work for, they will see.
Yeah.
They see it. You got to dig your roots into those customers. That's how you do it. You solve their problems in a way that nobody else can. Make it so they know that they can depend on you through thick and thin, and you will always be there no matter what. And like you'll keep those customers. They're not leaving for a little bit of, you know, cheaper price on a part or something.
Quality, loyalty,
Relationships. Oh! Boom! See? You see?
Yeah, we're not so different, you and I.
That's it, man. That's where it comes from.
Yeah, that's awesome.